Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into TD Bank account from your computer. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.tdbank.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official web page of TD Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to the login drop down, and this should bring up several options in the pop-up. Go ahead and choose an area from where you'd like to log into your account. Today it's online banking, so let me click on online banking button. You'll find yourself in this login area. Go ahead and type in your username associated with your TD Bank account and head over to the next field, type in your password correct, and you can easily log into your account if your credentials are correct. But in case you don't remember your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions in order to look for them. Once you have your password and your username correct, you can check this Remember Me box if you don't want to type in your credentials again and again with this particular device while logging into your TD Bank account. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public computer or a shared computer. Finally, click the login button after entering your credentials correct, and you'll be able to log in to your TD online banking account right away from your computer. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.